In this video, I'm going to show you how to sew a rolled hem. This is how the bottom of the pants look. My friend wanted them to have a more finished look without removing any length. First, let's get our sewing machine, thread of choice, and ironing board ready. Make sure to turn your pants inside out. Now we're going to fold and iron about 1/2 centimeter of the hem. It should look like this. I like to use these clips to pin the hem in place. Make sure the side seams are pinned flat. Now we remove the accessory tray to make rotating and sewing the pant leg easier. Here are my sewing machine settings that I use for today. Now sew along the edge of your fold, taking the clips out as you go. When you find where you started, don't forget the back stitch to secure your hem. It should look like this now. Next, we're going to roll over and pin the hem that we just sewed. It should look like this. Now stitch along the edge of your roll, making sure your side seams are flat, sewing over them. Now you can iron them flat and your rolled hem is done. Follow the same steps for your other pant leg.